We are proud to unveil the newest addition to our Aviation Services Division, a 2025 Kodiak 900 built for the mission of extraditions. For years, our previous aircraft safely completed countless transports across the country. Now, this next generation platform strengthens our ability to serve with greater efficiency, safety, and reliability. The tail number, November 1006 Gulf, honors fallen Deputy Shari Garner, whose legacy in aviation and extraditions continues to guide this mission forward. Powered by a Pratt Whitney turboprop, the Kodiak 900 features advanced avionics, weather radar, TKS de-icing, and a modern wing design, delivering a cruise speed of 210 knots with a range of over 1,100 miles. Capable of carrying 2 crew and up to 8 passengers, this aircraft was selected for performance, safety, and long-term value. We're honored to put this aircraft into service and be ready for many years ahead.